Okay, guys, current situation. Don't mind my horrible lighting. I just woke up now. Okay, so as you can see, this is my NZD. Just like how I analyzed for you 3 days before this thing actually happened. Okay, so as you can see that we were anticipating a short from here. We were anticipating a short from there, and as you can see on the screen, we are currently on a short. Indeed, the rate was a sell, just like how I told you 3 days before. Okay, so the rate came around this area right here. As you can see that this is a double top. This is a double top, and then we have this trend line right here where the market is currently failing to break past through. Okay, so we have this double support structure going on right here. Yeah, I would love to see this market break below the structure, because after here it's gonna be a movie. You all know that last week I was down a K, and then today this is what's up. So my target was 5K for this week, but based on how things are unfolding, yeah, I'm just gonna, let's see, that's on 2K. Let me just put my stop loss on. Okay, so as you can see, my stop loss is on 3K. So my decision right here is either I'm being taken out at 3K, or this market breaks that support structure and we are shooting for 6K profit. So I'll keep you updated.